hamwe na mibango ya mwanya iria iragagairio ni guteanirio kwa watho wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2028 wandikani wa rutani a JSS, marigitari, ugashiru wa urimi wa iria, mbeca cia arimi a kahua ona bataraitha ya raithi. No nigetha mibango iyo ndikagagae, riu thirikari nioete makinya ma kunyihia mbeca iria ihuthagirwo honge-ini itiganite. Ndumiriri-ini yake miaraho ya umuthi, President akianirira kunyihio kwa atarani thirikari-ini na gicunji kia 50%.
We are determined to carry out this and other interventions to improve the quality, efficiency and transparency in serving the people of Kenya and ensure that citizens receive maximum value for their resources.
Aria makinyitie miaka 60 ya guthie ritaya, President augite gutigukorwo na mweke wao kuongererwo ihinda ria kuruta wira thirikari-ini yake.
Henceforth, public servants who attain the retirement age of 60 shall be required to immediately proceed on retirement with no extensions to their tenure of service whatsoever.
Hamwe na makinya mangi ma kuoyo niguo mibango ya thirikari ikinyanire ni kunina kambuni 47 cia thirikari iria irutaga mawira mahanaine ona gutuika aruti wira kambuni-ini ici matikubutwo wira.
Staff currently employed by the affected corporations will be transferred to ministries and other state agencies within government.
Ihinda-ini ria mwaka umwe ukite, gutire ngari cia thirikari igukorwo ikigurwo, no ng'endo cia maabitha uruti wira wa muingi itari na uguni ni irugamitio.
I believe these changes will set out our country on a trajectory towards economic transformation, enabling us to achieve the strategic objectives of the bottom-up economic transformation agenda and deliver our commitment to radically enhance opportunities for all Kenyans.
President no eranire gwika mogaruruku mangi thirikari-ini yake gukinyaniria kioneki giake gia kunyihanyihia murigo wa mahuthiro wa thirikari. Ni riri andu matiganite makoretwo makimuria abunje kanjo ya maminista na atigirire wanangi thirikari-ini ni wathira kaimana. Girifo tera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.